Everyone's shouting about AI tools right now, but if you're like me, you don't want 17 new tools. You want one that actually helps you work faster, stay consistent, and create better content. Hey, I'm Stephen and I help small businesses and solo marketeers cut through the noise and build strategies that actually work. If you're tired of overthinking your marketing, then you're in the right place. I use ChatGPT almost every day to run my marketing. Not just for ideas, but to write content, plan campaigns, repurpose posts, and even help with thumbnails. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I use it step by step. Section 1 is idea generation. Whether I'm scripting a new short form tip, planning a long form video, or drafting a lead magnet outline, I'll ask ChatGPT to brainstorm 10 content ideas on my chosen topic. I'll ask it to generate new angles for a tip I've already covered. I'll suggest marketing hooks for small business owners in my focus industry. And ChatGPT doesn't always nail it on the first try, but it gets me unstuck fast. Section 2 is script writing. This is where ChatGPT earns its keep. I use it to turn bullet points into spoken video scripts, just like the one you're watching now. Rewrite rough drafts in my tone of voice. Give me headline options for shorts, blog posts, or YouTube videos. An example is that I'll paste in, "This is a tip about batching content," and I'll ask it to write it like I'm talking to a person across the table. That's how I script most of my topics. Section 3 is thumbnail and visual prompting. I'll ask ChatGPT to describe a thumbnail concept or suggest text overlays. I'll also have it write prompts for image tools, then paste those into Canva Magic Media or Pexels. An example here could be, show me a confident business owner filming content at home with good lighting. Paste that into Pexels, and there you go, you've got your B-roll. Section 4 is repurposing and optimizing. Once I've posted a tip, I'll go back to ChatGPT and ask, turn this into a blog outline. Rewrite this as a tweet thread. Make this suitable for LinkedIn with a stronger hook. It's how I turn one idea into 5 posts without losing hours of time. Here's a quick one for you. How are you using ChatGPT right now? Comment below, and if you've got a prompt that's working well, share it, and you never know, I might just test it on camera. And so, to wrap things up, you don't need a massive tech stack to stay consistent. If you learn how to use one tool really well, it can take care of 90% of your marketing. Now for me, that's ChatGPT. For you, it could be something else. Now if you want to see the exact prompts that I use week to week, let me know in the comments below, and I might just share with you a free prompt pack. All right, that's it from me. I hope this gave you something practical to take away, and I'll see you in the next one.